All right, let's practice. Click new, part, leave the name because we're just practicing. Make sure to just check on the default template, click OK. We're going to draw something in the top plane and then click sketch. We want something centered left and right, so we're going to draw a construction center line that's vertical. And let's draw an angled line here to here. Press your scroll wheel to stop the line, and then we're going to mirror this. So we're going to click mirror, and then we're going to mirror along the center line, so left and right. Let's make a circle now, and we're going to make a circle, and I want the circle here at the bottom to be aligned with each other. So if I want the center to be aligned to this end, then all I have to do is wait until it aligns and then click on the one of the references and then drag and point. Okay. But if you don't want the circle to be aligned, make sure it doesn't snap or it doesn't align with anything. So at this point here, I want that to be a little bit lower. So this is the aligned point. I want it to be a little bit lower and then drag and then point. Okay. Now I want this one to be smooth. So I'm gonna select tangent and I wanted to select the line and the circle. So they're gonna appear smooth. Now at this point here, I also want this. So this one is a smooth connection because it has this tangent symbol, but this bottom one, it's not a smooth connection. So if I want to use tangent and point to this line and the circle, it will adjust and make them parallel. And the reason behind that one is because the connection point is aligned with the center. So we're going to undo and make sure that you delete first this connection here. So make sure you select and then delete this aligned connection. So select that and then press delete on your keyboard. Now when you click tangent, you can select the line and the curve and it should just smooth them out. Okay. Let's now delete extra lines here. So delete segment, delete segment, delete segment, delete segment. There you go. So we now have tangent connections because we mirrored left and right. We just need to adjust one side and the other side will automatically adjust. Okay. And then in this case, let's make another circle because we're going to make a hole. So we're going to put circle, point to the same marker and then drag. Okay. And when you drag your circle and uh, something highlights, that means it's trying to match the size of those two objects. Okay. So if you don't want it to match, make sure that you either drag bigger or smaller because the moment that you see it highlights, you're going to see that there's an equal symbol there, the blue equal symbol. That means that they are matching in, oops, they are matching in size. Okay, so click center here or circle, and you can see this one. There is a equal symbol here, and there's always a pair of them. So you can see that it highlights over here. So that means that this radius or this one is equal to this radius here, or the diameter is equal to this diameter here. So they're equal to each other. So again, if you don't want them to be equal, make sure that you don't click when two objects are highlighted. All right. So now let's just click OK and then orbit, extrude, and then pull that down to make a flat object with a hole. All right, let's do that.